Now, if you have a 12 by 26 Shelter Logic car canopy and you're wondering why when you get a new cover it's short on the sides, this isn't short on the sides because for some reason they was sending me the wrong size, and it's all my fault because I wasn't aware that if you have a 1 3/8 tubing, it's different than a 2-inch tubing. So a 2-inch tubing, the width is actually 144 inches, and a 1 3/8 tubing is 188. So it has nothing to do with the size tubing. I guess it's the angle that it's designed, and the one that you have to order so it'll fit on the sides is the 802014. All right, that's the one that you're supposed to order if you want to have a canvas that fits over the sides. All right, so there you have it.